time check, it's currently 5:52 and it's so dark na. Wow. And they're singing to Back to December because they're all broken. So remember sila mga kababalaghan last December, no? Tapos they're wondering if kanang basta broken sila. Tapos you may be wondering kung anong nakag-isra girls. It is because na sport. O sige nga ni sports meet. And then it's very dark na, tapos napay mga tao sa baba, which is I think the signs na yan. Nagpractice sila sa kanangpan, which is we're done na. Tapos kami kay magbuta namin sa star. Na-transition ang lyrics na what an insult, man. But it's okay. Lugo po na ako. Uy, oh. Char. Kimaya ka na yung mga basher niya. Pero anyways, we're all beautiful in our own ways. And I'd go back to December to star ng Pasko ang nagsindi nitong ilaw. Walang iba kundi si Cham. Ha? Ako ang star, ako ang bida. Bye.